Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
See, in front of me, I have 6 slimes from Sublime Slimez. So got this 6-ounce slime in a different container. And this one is called Pearberry Mud Mask. This slime is called Sublime Cereal. The slime is really glossy once you let the foam beads settle on the top. And it's really stretchy. Next slime, we also have a cereal slime. This one is called Kris Kringle's Xmas Cereal. The slime is really crunchy and really glossy. Here's my last foam bead slime. This one is Oreo cookies and cream. Sorry that some of the slime got on the label. It was just a little sticky to start off. Next up, we have this slime that's called Pumpkin Cheesecake Filling. It's really clicky and stretchy. Here's another pumpkin slime. It's called Pumpkin Cinnamon, and this one also smells really good. Here's my last 3-ounce slime. It's a kiwi jello slime. It isn't that stretchy just because of the jelly cubes. Last but not least, we have this 6-ounce slime, which I love. This one is called Pearberry Mud Mask. This one smells so tropical and just like a berry. This one is really clicky, stretchy.
And